This young male is low in the flock's pecking order. He spent 5 years preparing for this moment, and now he needs to breed. But the current leader does not tolerate competition. The kick of an ostrich is powerful enough to kill a lion. And the young male is risking an end to his breeding season before it's even started. In a matter of moments, the young challenger has been cast out of his flock. Female ostriches are very choosy. The females lead him on a chase, testing his stamina. And they can run at speeds of 40 miles an hour. At last, he seems to be getting some attention. She flicks her wings, a sign that she is impressed. Cautiously, he performs his final trick. He now has a final task. He must take every female with whom he mates this season to his chosen nest site, and there incubate all their eggs for the next 2 months.